Simple cooking, simple cooking channel.
Now what you want to do is you want to cook some spaghetti. Just follow the instructions and just cook that. Once that's done, get a small frying pan and put in a couple of eggs. Now cook these eggs however you like, sunny side up, President, Elmo, Monkey Day, whatever. Over easy, over underdone. But thank the Lloyd. Once these are done to your liking, this is how I like them, so they're done. Just put them aside. Get a large frying pan. You don't have to put any oil in it if you don't want. I'm not. Get some bacon. I've cut mine up into strips. This is just middle rasher bacon. Just spend a couple of minutes with this. Now turn off the heat and add 1/3 cup of oil. Cut up 1 large red chilli, chuck that in. Now add the spaghetti. Cut up some parsley, about 1/4 cup. Get about 1/2 cup of parmesan cheese, that's very fine, or little pieces. Now we just want to just gently toss to combine. Oh, I just serve up. And just put the egg on top and give it a slice. Some of that to just run straight over. OMG! And season if you wish. A little bit of pepper.
Oh yeah. Simple cooking, simple cooking.